Hi guys, this is Mary Beth from the Mary and Joe channel. Me and Joe are on a road trip to Houston, Texas. We came to see our second set of twins, and they are beautiful. So they're 2 weeks old in a couple of days, and we just had to get down here to see them.
Y'all know who that is.
Joe Clyde watching people feed the fish at the park, at the gazebo. These are little French bullies, I think. I'm not so sure about that now, y'all, but they are my grandson's dog, Mia. These are her first litter. So this is the girl. We can tell that because she has one black eye, and she is fat and feisty. And she's got a brother. This is the boy. And he's getting his voice and very, very playful. So I don't know if we should get too close to him, y'all. What's the matter, Mia? You don't want us to hold your babies? Oh. You in there crying?
Mia. Mia.
You want her to put your baby down? Say, please put him down, put him back. Now, wait a minute. Now we can be together. Mia, where you going? She said, to heck with this.
She said as long as I'm not holding him, she fine. Good.
Oh, one standing up.
Good.
You need to put him out in the middle so you can see him standing up. They kissing and making up.
You're the boss.
Huh?
You're the boss. You're the boss of everything.
So now they just kiss and hug, and then they try to stand up on their little legs. They are so cute. And when we stay in here and play with them, Mia keeps coming back and forth because she don't know what we're doing to them. But they can stand up on their little feet for just a little while, and then they just slide around. So they are very, very cute. Very, very.
Yeah, nerd had a fight.
What y'all fussing about this morning?
They kissing and hugging, and then they started fighting, barking.
They hearing their voices now. The girl, she's so fat she can't get nowhere.
Yeah, but she's trying to walk.
Yeah. There's too much meat on the bone. The little runner gonna be agile.
Yeah, you ain't gonna run. I'm just fine.
Compared to her, Papa would.
I ain't gonna carry all that weight. Cause you the one gonna have a problem, not me.
Hey, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Stand up. Stand up.
Good. Oh, look at her.
Stand up. Oh. Stand up.
What you hear, Mama?
She was in there eating and she heard that squealing. I heard. I'm like that now. Wait a minute now.
Be still.
She's gonna try to challenge her mom. Look at that, his mom. Look his paw. Look at his paw, mama. He swatting at his mama.
What are you doing?
Growing up, fussing. Telling your mom how the cow ate the corn. That is so crazy.
I mean, you gotta growl. And fail. That one can wag his tail now. See?
Oh, that
Ah!
makes you like it. Your mama kissing.
Hey, that's cute. I just stepped back in here to watch Mia with her babies. She is so good with them. This little girl that's feeding, she likes to turn over upside down and eat a lot of time. The little boy feeds and he goes on off to himself, but the girl just likes to stay close to her mommy. And then when they both latch on, boy, I know Mia is tired of this. This is her first baby, so, and we like to watch them. We're just getting so close to them. And I've told everybody, when we get so close to these puppies, we're not going to want to let them go, any of us. They are so pretty and so feisty until when it's time for the owners to pick them up. So they're asleep now, and we're going to let them sleep a while. They love to sleep really, really close together, and that's when Mama Mia can go outside for a little while since they're 2 weeks old. Now, they are doing really well, and I'm so glad we got to come and see them before they go off to their homes. It's the next day, and me and Carmen are in here with the baby since Mama Mia's gone to eat. Come on, baby boy, walk. Get up. Get up. He said, well, I guess our mama gone. Get up and walk around. Then my stomach is too fat. Tummy too fat.
Look at me. She said she done with the video. Look at that. She gone.
She gone.
She hear Beatles and shit. And your papa.
She already had her breakfast?
Yeah. She was eating it when she heard them squealing.
Well, they gone. Both they gone. They separate ways, so I guess we'll let them sleep. This is their regular routine. Eat, sleep, and then they are back to sleep. So we love to come in here and when they're awake and pick them up and look at them just like this. Oh, look at this. This, I guess, is what you call puppy love. And the crazy thing about it, y'all, is the vet said they only had 2. We were expecting a litter of puppies, but there's just the 2 of them. So I'm calling them my second set of twins. And I love them. I don't know how we're going to let them go when it's time to let them go. They're just 2 weeks old, and they are really, really active. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.